expression erupting from my two headlights, knocking around in the dark for this glimmering jewel. I caught a glimpse, then it vanished. I tasted unfold on my tongue all the sweetness and all the affections that soothe as they can shock me, can soothe as they can shock me still, perfectly still. Yes, you heard me right. Miss Fidgety suddenly stayed asleep all night. Believe me, I'm usually tossing and turning, at one with the yearning for more than what's in my face. There's one thing I can say: missing you did not begin today. I've got a full set of fingerprints wrapping around my insides, one indication that I've already been claimed. And while I can't place my hands on your face and my world on your shoulders, I'm addicted to blistering smoke